Hi, and welcome to this guide on the ORP calibration procedure for oxidation-reduction potential on the YSI ProQuatro. In this session, we'll cover what ORP is, why calibration helps improve accuracy, and how to use a single-point calibration standard to select the correct reference value. We'll walk through prepping your solution, stabilizing the sensor, and completing the calibration so that you can confidently measure oxidation-reduction potential in any sample. ORP readings are expressed in millivolts and indicate the oxidizing or reducing strength of a solution. ORP sensors do not use a multi-point calibration. Instead, calibration is performed using a single, known ORP standard solution. ORP values vary with temperature, electrode and sample composition. Before calibrating, inspect the sensor for deposits or coatings. ORP electrodes must be clean and in good condition to provide reliable readings. Rinse the sensor with distilled water. Use an approved ORP calibration solution. Part A and Part B Zobel solution needs to be mixed as accurately as possible. Do your best to measure exact quantities of both A and B solution. This will come pre-mixed as part of the AirMet scientific calibration kit. Ensure the solution is fresh and temperature equilibrated. A drift of more than around 20 millivolts from a known standard indicates that the calibration and/or cleaning is required. Store the ORP sensors wet, similar to pH. Ensure the instrument sensor setup matches the installed sensor, and ORP is enabled on the correct port. The main reason issues with calibration or erroneous readings in the field is due to cleaning. Clean the probes before doing anything. For cleaning tips, please see our video on best practices for calibration. Performing the ORP calibration. Press Cal and highlight the YSI ORP and press Enter. This will select the ORP from the calibration options. Enter the correct millivolt value for that temperature and confirm if the instrument order recognizes the standard. Insert the probe into the ORP standard. Allow the readings to stabilize for roughly 1 to 2 minutes. Highlight Accept Calibration and press Enter. Once stable, the instrument automatically adjusts the offset to match the standard's millivolt value. A calibration successful message appears and the device returns to the calibration menu. After calibrating ORP, always perform a verification check. Check the home screen against the temperature and chart. Accept the calibration once stable and close to the expected value. If the reading drifts or stabilizes slowly, clean the electrode or replace the fill solution if applicable. Thanks for watching our ORP calibration video for the YSI ProQuatro. We hope this guide made the process simpler and helped you understand how to get accurate readings every time. Check out the rest of the videos in this playlist to get the most out of your instrument. If you have any questions or need any support, please reach out to your local AirMet team on 1-800-000-744.